Hi everybody. I've got a 2011 Ford F-150. About a week ago, my blinker went out on my left rear of the truck. So my rapid flash was on, so I knew I had a bulb out. So I went and replaced it. There was a bulb in there that you could tell needed to be replaced, so I replaced that. I was still getting the rapid flash, so I replaced the second bulb in there just to make sure. Now the bulbs are a two-phase bulb. One bulb works a brake light and a flasher, so it's kind of a two-phase bulb. But I replaced both bulbs. I was still getting the rapid flash in the truck, so I started doing a little research online. I found there were other people having that problem too. It seemed like it was a little frustrating. Nobody could really figure out what was going on with it and how to fix it. So I went online, did a little more research, and I found this little deal right here. It is a ELM 327 Wi-Fi interface. It supports all OBD2 protocols. I ordered it online, just kind of taking a shot to see if I could get it fixed myself. Ordered it online. I got it within 3 or 4 days. It was off of Amazon. It was $15 for the app, or for this piece. And then you have to download an app on your phone which will interface with this depending on what vehicle you have. I've got Ford vehicles, so it was an app called ForScan, but there are other apps for Chevys and Dodges, and this will work on all vehicles from what I gather. So I downloaded the app, which was $5.99, so altogether I'm $21 into this, and I plugged this into the truck. When you get this plugged into the truck, you have to go into your phone. I have an iPhone. I had to go into my settings, and I had to go into my Wi-Fi settings and link to this piece, the Wi-Fi on this. It took me a few minutes to figure that out. Save you guys a little frustration. Just go into your settings and link to it. Once you do that and you connect it to your vehicle, you can scan your vehicle and pick up any codes that are going on. Now, I didn't have a check engine light that came on. I just knew there was an issue because I was getting that rapid blinker. So when I ran the scan on it, I found that there was a negative ground problem. I don't know why, but for some reason I guess it tripped it in the body control module. So when you do that, when you run the scan on it and you see that there's that error, you can click on it on your phone in the ForScan app. You can click on it and then you can reset it. And it had me power the vehicle off, power the vehicle back on again, and my blinker is back to normal again. So hopefully that will help. It seems like there's a lot of frustration out there on how to get that fixed. Some people are talking about cutting wires in there. My wire harness looked fine. I didn't think it was that, but some people are talking about cutting wires. Some people are talking about taking it to Ford and getting it fixed, and they had to spend some money down at Ford to get it fixed. I don't know if you can take it to AutoZone and have them look at it and see if they can see the code and reset it for you. Might be something to try. I've got 2 Ford vehicles, and I'll be able to use this down the line if I have other issues. So for $21, I thought it was a decent investment. It's pretty easy to use. Just remember to go into settings on your phone and get that taken care of. Hopefully that'll save you guys some frustration. Hopefully you guys will be able to fix your vehicles. Have a good day. Thanks.